Have you ever wondered about the history of the Euphrates River? This ancient waterway, winding its way through the heart of Mesopotamia, has long been held as the cradle of civilization. It was here, along these fertile banks, that some of the world's first great empires rose and fell. The river's life-giving waters nurtured the birth of advanced cultures, sparking innovations in agriculture, writing and law that have shaped our world. As we journey back in time, we find ourselves amidst the ruins of ancient cities like Babylon and Ur. These once thriving metropolises stand as silent testament to a bygone era of kings and conquerors, of scholars and artisans. Their crumbling walls and weathered stones whisper tales of glory and tragedy, of human ambition and divine retribution. Here, amidst the ruins of ancient cities like Babylon and Ur, we glimpse echoes of a bygone era, where kings and conquerors once walked the earth. For millennia, the Euphrates River has served as a lifeline for trade and commerce. Picture the scene: ancient merchants bartering in lively markets, their stalls overloaded with exotic goods from distant lands. Imagine the excitement and anticipation as a caravan appears on the horizon, its camels laden with treasures ready for exchange. The Euphrates River was not just a body of water, it was a highway, a bridge, a connection. It linked the far reaches of Mesopotamia, enabling the exchange of not only goods, but also ideas, customs, and knowledge. This river served as the lifeblood of civilization, fueling progress and prosperity. From the hustle and bustle of the markets to the dusty trails of the caravan routes, the Euphrates River was the beating heart of trade and commerce. Its waters witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the dawn of innovation, and the birth of cultural diversity. The river has been a conduit for the flow of goods, ideas, and people. But beyond its historical legacy, the Euphrates River is also a showcase of natural wonders. A tapestry of untamed beauty unfurls along its winding path, painting a picture that's as diverse as it is mesmerizing. Imagine lush riverbanks, where the verdant tendrils of nature creep up to kiss the water's edge, a habitat teeming with wildlife that has thrived here for countless generations. The river's fertile plains stretch out, an expansive canvas of green, where life flourishes in abundance. Here, the cycles of nature play out in harmonious symphony, a testament to the life-giving power of this majestic waterway. The Euphrates also carves its way through rugged landscapes, creating dramatic canyons that bear the marks of time and the river's relentless flow. These majestic formations stand as silent sentinels, guarding the river's course and adding an element of raw, untamed beauty to the scene. Every bend of the Euphrates reveals a new marvel waiting to be discovered. As we journey along the Euphrates, we're not just exploring a river, we're immersing ourselves in a tapestry of cultures and traditions. This isn't your typical sightseeing tour. It's a deep dive into the heart of a region defined by its rich cultural heritage. Picture this: you're sharing a meal with locals, tasting recipes that have been passed down through generations. You're partaking in age-old rituals, feeling the rhythm of a culture that's been shaped by the ebb and flow of the Euphrates. You're learning the local language, discovering the stories that have been etched into the landscape over millennia. You're engaging with communities that have called the banks of the Euphrates home for centuries, witnessing firsthand their resilience and adaptability. This is travel at its most transformative and enlightening. Every encounter along the Euphrates is an opportunity to deepen our understanding of the rich cultural heritage that defines this region. As our journey along the Euphrates River draws to a close, we're reminded of the river's timeless significance. This ancient waterway has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the birth of trade routes, and the blossoming of diverse cultures. It's more than just a river. It's a living testament to the enduring spirit of humanity. Think of the Euphrates as a mirror reflecting the triumphs, trials, and transformations of civilizations past. It has been a cradle, a lifeline, a canvas of natural wonders, and a bridge connecting cultures. Each ripple on its surface tells a tale, each wave a whisper of a bygone era. This is the magic of the Euphrates. It's not just a river, but a river of reflection, inviting us to delve into the depths of our shared history, to ponder upon the legacy we've inherited, and to imagine the future we're shaping. May its waters continue to flow through the annals of history, carrying with them the stories of civilizations past and the promise of adventures yet to come.